Agricultural Crop Production Exploratory Course for Grade 7 and 8. Agricultural Crop Production Exploratory Course for Grade 7 and 8. Module 7. Our topic is for farm housekeeping. Warning signs. Warning signs in the workplace. Warning signs in the workplace is very important for the safety of the workers. The main purpose is to prevent accident in the workplace. General instruction. The warning signs required must be visible enough at all times in the workplace when work is being performed. After the work has been done, some warning signs shall be removed or covered immediately when the hazard does not exist anymore. The danger sign. The danger signs are safety signs to warn workers of a potential hazard or obstacle that may be life-threatening. Example of the danger sign displayed at the fence or door of the electric supply. The warning or caution signs. Another safety sign used to warn workers about possible hazards or potential accident is the warning or caution signs. Example of the warning sign is when the floor area is wet. Remove when the floor is dried. The exit signs. It is a kind of device that denotes the nearest emergency exit in the building or workplace in case of fire or other emergency. Example of exit signs are displayed at the emergency exit area. The safety instruction signs. Safety instruction signs provides different directions or instructions to help worker to perform tasks in a safe manner. At the right is an example of safety instruction signs. The directional signs. It is used to direct or guide workers to find the place they wanted to go or to find something. Example of directional sign is displayed near a particular area. The traffic signs. Big farms must also have traffic signs. These are road signs that give instruction or provides information to the road users and to prevent from road accident. The 5 S of housekeeping. The 5 S of housekeeping. Most of the time, our workplace is messy and unorganized, so we spend extra time in searching for the needed items such as tools and equipment or important papers. Cleaning the workplace needs to observe the 5 S of housekeeping. What is the 5 S of housekeeping? 5S is the acronym of 5 Japanese words: seiri or sorting, seito or set in order, seiso or shine, seiketsu or standardize, and shichuke or sustain. The technique has popularized as Japanese 5S in 1980 by Hiroyuki Hirano. The following 5S will help you to improve efficiency and productivity, to maintain safety and cleanliness, to maintain good control over the processes, and to maintain the good product quality. The seiri or sorting or segregating. Seiri is separating the wanted and unwanted items and removing the latter things in the workplace. Methods. Letter A. First, decide what is necessary and what is unnecessary. To find out unnecessary items, you should not only check the floor but also the shelves, the lockers, storehouse, stairs, roofs, notice boards, and others. Your useful floor is saved. Your searching time of tools, materials, and papers is reduced. You have better workflow, and your inventory cost of unnecessary items is reduced. Letter B. Put a red tag on unnecessary items and keep them in a separate area. C. Discard or throw those items which have not been used in the past 1 year. D. Things used once in 6 to 12 months may be stored at a distance from workstation. E. Things used more than once a month should be available at a central point in the workstation. F. Things used hourly, every day, once a week should be near the workstation. Number 2 is Seiton, or set in order or arranging. Seiton is identifying places to arrange the things and placing them in a proper order for prompt usage. Enforce the dictum, a place for everything and everything in its place. Methods, letter A, if necessary, reassign spaces, racks, and cabinets. Letter B, decide the right places for everything. Letter C, put all materials and equipment at a place allocated to them with a proper label or signalization. Use alerts or indications for out-of-stock situations. Letter D, use floor paint marking to define working area, path, entrance or exit, safety equipment, cart, and trolley locations. Letter E, use standard color coding for pipelines for steam, water, gas, and drainage. And letter F, use display cautions, messages, instructions at a proper place at a proper height. Number 3 is the say-so or shine. Say-so is clean up the workplace and look for ways to keep it clean. Sweep your workplace thoroughly so that there is no dust, dirt, or scrap anywhere. Methods. Letter A, divide the total area in zones and allocate responsibility for cleaning of each zone. Letter B, decide on cleaning points, order of cleaning, type of cleaning, and cleaning aid required. Letter C, display cleaning schedule. Letter D, during cleaning, look for defective conditions. Loose bolts, vibrations, excessive sound, high temperature, and fallen tools, and solve the problem. And letter E, allocate space for storage of cleaning aids and consumables for cleaning. Number 4 is the Seiketsu or standardization. Seiketsu means always aim at maintaining the standard level of cleanliness, hygiene, and visual control. Maintaining and monitor adherence to the first 3 of S. Methods. Letter A, document procedures and guidelines for sorting, set in order, and shine. Letter B, make a checklist for each section and train your people in using them. Letter C, carry out periodic evaluation by using the above checklist. The last S in 5S of housekeeping is the Shichuke, or sustain. Shichuke is a management responsibility. It emphasizes on being able to forge a workplace with good habits and discipline. Methods. A, create awareness and publicize the system. For example, develop 5S news, 5S posters, 5S slogans, 5S day, and others. Letter B, create a structure of how and when 5S activities will be implemented. Letter C, formulate guidelines for audit, evaluation of 5S implementation. Letter D, provide management support by providing resources and leadership. And letter E, reward and recognize best performers. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.